Well, it's finally bright and the trail's looking pretty rough for snowboarding. So the good news is that it should be safe for avalanche, but the bad news is there should be lots of rocks scraping my snowboard. Time for some snowshoes. We're at tree line and there's no snow, so we're gonna ditch our boards, grab the summit, and then go right down. It's gonna be fun. Well, let's go hike down and find some snowboards. Hello. Right where we left them. Who's excited to watch me fall? All right, not bad. I think it's gonna work. But this is really tough. My snowshoe exploded. I'll tell you one thing, hiking in snowboard boots, not that bad. We made it, hooray! So, was snowboarding down a 14er worth it? I mean, it was tough. You have to be a really good snowboarder to be able to ride through some of that terrain without having to fall or stop or hit trees and branches. So definitely use your discretion, do your research. I don't know how many more 14ers I'm gonna snowboard down. I just don't know if it's worth the wait and the risk. There's just so much to it. So yeah, definitely do your homework. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.